4 YZ85s, Blue Crew today. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Hey, what's up guys? We are here with our kids Timmy, Max, Connor, and we have a bunch of bikes here. Even Dad has YZ85. These are just an amazing bikes. We have different years here: 05, 19, 20 and 2022. 3 small wheels and 1 big wheel. So today in this video we're just gonna ride, have a lot of fun, switch the bikes and then see how it goes, to give you some feedback about different bikes. Right, let's go. I don't know about you guys, but I would definitely feel like I'm in a dream if I'm 11 years old and I have brand new YZ85 with all the bells and whistles 2022. It would be just amazing. Back when I was 11, we had no bikes like that, and it was just so different. So as you can see, Timmy and his friends Max and Connor, they are having a lot of fun on these little bikes. These 85s, it just doesn't get much better than this for guys in that age. It's much better than every 4-stroke you have out there, and if kids can learn how to ride this 2-stroke power properly, then they will be set for a life of dirt bike riding. They will know how to keep the momentum, they're gonna know how to use clutch, you know, how to come hard into the turns, and once they transition into 250F, when they are maybe 15, 16, it's just gonna be so much easier for them. As you can see on this video, we have 4 different models: 2005, 2019, 2020 and 2022, and you know, for sure the 22 was the most popular bike among these kids. Everybody wanted to be on the big wheel 2022, so they were taking turns and everybody just loved the bike. You know, Yamaha did a lot of refinements for 2022. They went to a new body style, they went to a new airbag style and all that. Engine did not get a lot of changes, they changed it back in 2019. But with all the other changes to the frame and you know, to how the air is taken into the bike feels so much smoother and it's just way easier to ride. So the 2020 and 2022, there is not a huge difference in the engine, but what kids were saying once they jump on 2022 is that it's really easier to ride and it's much smoother, the suspension felt better, and overall they just had better feel on the bike. So this right here, they're riding my backyard track, and I'm really blessed that I have a place where I can just ride with kids. I build this couple jumps here and there, you know, so they can learn how to ride, how to get comfortable on the bike. And I think this is much better than taking them riding at trails all the time. You know, even though they ride laps, but they can go through many turns. They can learn, you know, how to get in a turn, body positioning, stick that foot out, you know, clutch the bike, go on the gas, and let it scream out of the turn. So once they get that skill, once they just do the drills over and over and over, and they get more comfortable on the bike, they get faster, then they can go and ride bigger tracks, and they will be much safer on the tracks like that. So we spent quite a lot of time here, also with my daughter on her little bike, and it's been just a lot of fun, you know, riding these 2 strokes, and guys had an amazing day. Blue Crew.
Good.
Yeah?
Very fun.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
So which bike, Timmy, you first, which bike did you like the most today?
I like that one the best.
Yeah, because it has small wheels?
Yeah, also because it's very, very powerful.
Is it? Okay, and you didn't shift much today, huh? You should be shifting it a 2-stroke. How about you, Max? What do you think?
I like the big wheel because it has better suspension and it's easier to turn.
Cool. Yeah, you look really good on the bike. I like it how you were screaming out of the turns. Pretty cool. Connor, how about you?
I like this bike because I'm most comfortable on it.
That's right on. That's your bike. It makes sense. All right, boys. So we had an amazing day today. 4 bikes, 05. Timmy, actually, how many laps did you do on 05?
5 or something.
Like, why did you do that?
I don't know.
We were just wondering with that, with Connors and Max's, that why Timmy rides 6 laps on that 05. But yeah, they had amazing time battling back and forth. These bikes are amazing.
2022 right here. This thing is a great bike with the big wheels for your kid. You can stay a long time on this bike. I think you guys are really good size for that bike as well, so we need to talk to your dad. All right, boys, well, that's about it for today, and don't forget,
Whatever you do, stay motivated.
see you guys later.